Hiring employees for a pop-up drink stand means finding friendly, fast, and reliable people, checking that they meet your local minimum working age, and training them on cash handling, food safety basics, and customer service before your first day of business. Think of your pop-up drink stand like a tiny stage where every worker is a performer that customers judge in seconds. You want people who smile fast, move fast, and stay calm when 5 customers show up at once during a hot afternoon rush. Something a lot of new stand owners do not realize is that local health departments often require at least one worker on shift to hold a food handler card, even for something as simple as pouring lemonade or blending smoothies. So check your city rules early. Post your job opening on local community boards, high school job boards, and neighborhood apps, since pop-up stands rarely need someone with fancy experience, just someone dependable and cheerful. During the interview, actually hand them a cup and ask them to pretend to make a drink for you, because watching how they move tells you more than any resume ever could. Pay a fair hourly wage, even if it is just above your area's minimum wage, because turnover at pop-up stands is expensive and constant retraining eats your profit fast. One common mistake is hiring based only on friendliness and forgetting to check reliability. So always ask for 2 references and actually call them before the first shift. Another sneaky issue is scheduling too many new workers on your busiest days, which causes chaos. So pair every new hire with one experienced worker for their first 2 or 3 shifts. Many owners also forget to write down simple recipes and steps, so create a 1-page laminated cheat sheet for drink recipes and cash handling rules to keep everyone consistent even when you are not standing there watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.